In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a Groupon email address. First, open your browser and search for Groupon. In the search bar, type the word Groupon, then press enter. You should see Groupon appear near the top of the results, usually with a short description about local deals and offers. Take a moment to confirm the spelling is correct, so you do not end up on a fake or unrelated site. Now, click the correct Groupon link and log in. Choose the result that clearly shows the official Groupon website. Once the page loads, look for the login or sign-in option, usually at the top right. Enter your current email address and password, then submit. When you are signed in, you should see your name or a profile icon in the top right corner of the page, which confirms you are in your account. Next, hover your mouse over your name or profile icon in the top right corner. Move the pointer slowly and do not click yet. After a brief moment, a drop-down menu should appear under your name or icon. This menu usually includes options like Account and My Groupons. If the menu does not appear, move the mouse away and hover again for a second or two. From there, click Account from the drop-down menu options. This opens your main account settings page. On this page, look for your current email address listed near the top section of your profile details. Right next to that email address, click the Change link. When you click Change, Groupon will usually display a small form or box where you can enter a different email. The page should stay within your account settings so you do not get redirected somewhere unexpected. With that ready, type your new email address, then click Send link. Enter the full new email carefully, watching for common mistakes like missing dots or extra spaces. If your browser tries to autofill, double-check it matches the email you actually want to use. Once you click Send link, Groupon will send a confirmation message to your old email address, and the screen may show a short note telling you that a verification email has been sent. After that, check your old email inbox, then click Verify your email address to complete the switch. Open a new tab or your email app and sign in to the old email account that is currently on Groupon. Look for a new message from Groupon about changing your email address. If you do not see it in a minute or two, check your spam or promotions folder, since automated emails sometimes land there. Open the message and click the Verify Your Email Address link inside. This link tells Groupon to approve the change and move your account over to the new email you entered. You have now successfully changed the email address connected to your Groupon account, so give this video a thumbs up if it helped and subscribe if you want more quick guides.